In this video, I'm going to show you how to use LuxAlgo Elliott Wave. So the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to their official website and you want to create your account over here or just sign in if you have an account already. Then click on Library top right. And then here inside your library, you want to look for the Elliott Wave. So just type in Elliott Wave like this, and then it should find, there we go, as you can see, Elliott Wave. Now click on it, and then here you can scroll down a bit and you can see kind of the showcase of it on the chart. You can also scroll down even further to actually see the full guide, how it works, and basically like the in-depth explanation. So if you want that, make sure you read it. And then when you go back up here, you can see it's working on the following platforms. Now you have TradingView, NinjaTrader, and then MD4 and MD5. Select the platform you want to use it on. So for example, let's say you want MD5, click on Get Access, just follow these setup instructions and you'll be good to go. Now same goes for all of these platforms. However, the easiest way and the quickest way to use it is by using it on TradingView. So if you just click on Get Access and then Get Access again, it's going to direct you to TradingView. Here you have to sign into your account or create one if you don't have one yet. And then over here you can just scroll down below this chart and you can see it says Use on Chart. Now to use the Elliott Wave, just click on it, and it's going to basically load this up into one of your charts here inside TradingView within just a few seconds. And there we go. I'm going to actually remove this one from earlier, and it should be able to load this up. Okay, so as you can see here, it's currently showing. If it's not working for you, play around with the time interval. So if I go here, yeah, there we go. It was the time interval. I went to 5 minutes, and all of a sudden, my indicator is showing. You could also hover over it and click on the settings and change a bunch of different settings regarding this indicator, and that's pretty much how to use it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.